Hi guys, tonight we are going to be continuing on with our 3-inch Machinist clamp kit. Tonight specifically we're going to be working on the screw. Here's the screw in an assembled clamp. Let's have a look at the drawing. The stock for the clamp supplied in the kit is 3/8 of an inch diameter. We will make it 4 7/8 inch long. It is threaded for the most part 3/8 16, and there's a reduced diameter on the end here where it passes through the bearing pin. We'll start by rough cutting our stock to length. Okay, to start we'll just clean up both ends. There's both ends cleaned up. Now I'm just going to make a mark at 3/4 of an inch so we know where to stop our threading. Just a little mark there. Next thing, we'll take the stock to the mill drill and do that cross hole. Okay, we've got the work positioned in the vise. We're ready to start with the center drill. And we'll continue with the number 11. There we are. Okay, we'll clean up the burrs on that hole. I have some number 400 here. And we'll just put a chamfer on the end. Okay, we're ready to thread. I'll put a chamfer on the opposite end to help get the die started. Okay, we have the 3/8/16 die in the tailstock die holder. I've done the fiddly bit of getting it started on the off camera. I'm just going to jog the lathe. Advance my tailstock so I don't go off the ends. I can see my line that we made earlier. I don't know if you can see it. Right about there. Reverse the lathe. There we have it, a very nice thread. Cheap and easy with the tailstock die holder. This end fits in the chuck on the tailstock. The part that holds the die is free to move up and down the base. Next we'll tap the end 1024. Okay, drilling and tapping 1024. We'll start with a center drill. Tap drill size for a 1024 is a number 25 drill. our top size. Here we have our top wrench with guide. This goes in the tailstock chuck and keeps you aligned. And we'll put a little chamfer on that hole. And we'll just test a screw in there, make sure we got good depth. Looking good, our screw is able to bottom out nicely. Okay, now we will turn our attention to this area of reduced diameter. The diameter is 0.250 plus 0 minus up 2 thou. The length of this area is the measurement across the bearing flats plus 5 thou. Here's the bearing pin where the screw terminates. Across the flats here I'm getting 0.612. .612 plus 5 thou is 0.617. So we want that area to be 0.617 long. I'm up against the end of the work. I have the dial indicator zeroed. We'll move the carriage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 612. Lock the carriage stop. I'm going to turn my dial to 0 and then we'll make this pass and take an accurate measurement. Zero on my dial brings me to 0.294. Drawing says 1/4 inch diameter. We're at 294. 44 to come off. $20. $35. 1.5. I use the power feed. And just double checking. That's a nice fit for our bearing pin. There you have it, guys. An enjoyable evening's shop time. If you take your time, you could probably stretch it out to, well, it depends how set up you are. I have all the tools handy. If I was not filming, I could probably do it in 20 minutes. No need to rush. Get a coffee. Enjoy your shop time. This is a big part of your Machinist clamps kit. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more.